Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the blend tool to morph shapes as well as colors. So I just have these shapes here. I'm just going to change the color of that soon once I've selected the shape that I want. Copy and paste that, and I'm just going to place this bigger star here. Then I'm going to change the colors of these shapes real quick. And then I'll just select everything, and I'll just select the blend tool, and I'm going to start from here to here. Okay, I think I'm just going to do it that way. They should be able to do like 3 times like that. And you have this really cool shape. I'm just going to copy and paste this real quick. And I am going to then blend this one. There we go. And I'm going to place the star on top so it has some shape. Let's just arrange and then bring the front. I'm also going to change the color, maybe make it a little bit lighter so you can see the shape of the star, like so. And you can do a lot of stuff with the blend tool, so that's how you can use the blend tool on Adobe Illustrator CC. There's gotta be a way to do it the other way around though, because I don't really like the shape of it. So let's just go from here to here, and I'll just go and blend this one first and then blend that one. Oh, now it looks like this. Well, at least you know it works. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. I did figure it out at the end. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!